About Fhat Mama.
I think you were talking about me.
Yeah, you, but you ratchet. Look at ratchet. You ratchet. Your mama ratchet. Fuck my pappy in the car. She ratchet. Every time we leave, she ratchet. She dressed like she ratchet. I'm sad to see your mama in the city on the corners busting for a little penny. The bitch is ratchet. She ratchet. Yeah, fat. She ratchet. Listen when I tell you that the bitch is ratchet. I'm trying to tell you, she ratchet. She fucked my uncle and my fucking pappy. Your mama is a dirty dog. She fucking looks like a hog. And I'm sitting here looking like a hog. I'm tired. Cause you ratchet. You wanna take, you wanna beat, you wanna talk. All y'all ratchet. You ratchet. Look at this. Ratchet.
Oh my God.
Why the fuck you sitting up there looking ratchet?
Why you talking so much?
Get out the fucking class, ratchet. It looks like fucking boom drops. The bitch is cute, but he fucking ratchet. Ain't he fucking ratchet? You laughing. You want me to ratchet?
She said you want me to ratchet.
Shut up. Okay. I'm sitting right here talking up a storm. I'm fucking tired cause I'm really go home. I'm hungry as fuck. This bitch keep pooting. If you fight by me, I'ma have to fucking shoot her. Every time I come to this motherfucking class, I come over here and I smell funky ass gas. And I go fucking walk past this motherfucking head. Stop making me laugh. I'm for real. No, Ratchet. Hey, Ratchet. Hey, Ratchet. Let's see who it looks like. Ratchet. Ratchet. What? Hey, Ratchet. She wanna be Ratchet. Who stands up and say, hey, yeah, she Ratchet. Get the fucking camera out of my face. I'm tired. I ain't that motherfucker that talk about ponytail bangs. What's his name? He's about this tall. I was like, what the fuck? Bitch, sit down, Ratchet. Cut. Motherfucker, I'm tired. My motherfucking mouth hurt. You, Ratchet. I'm gonna get on your ass.